Welcome back. Got some poor joints on this coving, needs sorting out. So when these are joined together, possibly damaged paper, not sure, but to me it doesn't seem as though there's any filler in, so chances are they have just been pushed together and then painted over. So I'll show you how to sort these out. Quite bad. First of all, Stanley blade, and I just want to cut a channel so at a slight angle. Just be careful. Just bring it down to the edge. I don't want to go over onto the wall. And then repeat on the other side. So two things I'm doing here. I'm removing that damaged paper and allowing a good edge for the filler to sit. So I've not gone over the edge there. Okay, so just want to feel that edge there. A little bit proud just on that edge, so with a finer blade, these snap blades, you have to be careful because they will break. Just want to lay it onto the coving and just take away anything that's proud there. There's only a slight amount. Okay, now just generally clean this up. So a quick dust off, and I'm ready for the next stage. Now with some Zinsser shellac primer, I just want to prime this, which will just seal the edge of the paper, because this gyprock coving is plasterboard wrapped in paper. So that'll just help. Ready for the next stage. When this is dry, there's quite a bit of a void and I don't want any cracking out, I'm just going to use some gap filling expanding foam and just get that nozzle in there. Okay, leave that to cure. I've got another one we can take a look at. This one's ready for cutting back. Oh, a light sand. The Zinser shellac primer again. Once this is dry, you can get some filler in. When you're jointing these, really, you shouldn't rely on having a square edge. Always give it a bit of a chamfer. Dig a channel and make sure it's angled in a V. It just makes for better filling and a better finish. I'll leave that to dry. I'll come back and have a look at that. Well, generally that's it. Get the others filled up. Last one. I'll leave those to dry. If they need another light fill, I will do, but they want sanding first. I've given these a light sand now. Now quite often these will either be twisted or just not matched level. So I need to blend this in now. And I can feel that this side is proud, so I need to fill this edge, and then I can deal with the top and bottom edges. So get some filler on. More. Wipe onto a damp cloth. Now we'll leave that. That can have a light sand, and I'll give it a coat of the paint that I'm going to be using, and then any other filling will be done after that. While I've got some filler mixed, doing these corners, this edge is higher than this edge, so quick way just to neaten this up. Some filler onto the end of the knife and just place it under there. Place it under there, bit of a wiggle. Okay, and then just in an upward motion, just take off that edge, then I can sand that a little bit. Better than it being a step. On this one, that's quite severe there. So, bigger blade, same again. First coat of paint going on now. Like I say, I do expect to do a little bit more filling, but already I know it's looking a lot better. I'm applying the second coat of paint now, and this one's looking really good. That's where the repair was. That's not too bad at all. Bit more filling, just see it there. Only slight. That one's not too bad either, but I can touch it up with a little bit more filler. Mixed with paint, of course. And this one is the best of the three. So I don't need to do anything with that one. That one's really good. So it was sitting just here somewhere. But that's okay. It shouldn't jump out at you when you walk in the room. And these in the corner where we had this bit of a step. That's okay there. Looks a lot better. And this one is quite severe, this one. That's nice and level there. As long as you don't pick up on it when you walk in the room, that's how it should be. Until next time, see you again.